Hello, hello. Good morning. My name is Silvia Parra. Students, Grupo 71. Technology what with steel. Has technology has changed in my community? Technology has changed my community life in many aspects. I would say children today born with a great capacity the way their skinty and the learn easily and the new technological like smartphones, tablets and laptops. Not only all children, not all people could learn and they didn't have the opportunity to know the knowledge of the technology or social media making them not connected to each other. What positive and negative aspects should has have in the use of technology and this? I think that one positive aspect that my community has had is technology presents is the possibility of communication as people was with they easily they knowledge with a click. It can be viewed at home, sharing WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and on the models. Also, the aspect of the weekend and the investigates activity on internet. Stalski and the negative aspect that one the way could be technology in the past that and the button and connected emotion and the wise and the she went and the friend not to find Melika Videk and the shooting the figure combination. So and the versus make the parents to focus on the Vikings and visual the vehicle now with technology. Muchísimas gracias.